Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your baby girl Mama. What's up? In today's video I'm going to show you how to make this spice puff puff recipe, so stay tuned and enjoy watching. So guys, to begin, I'm using 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Now I will be adding 2 teaspoons of yeast. Yes guys, the next one is to add pinch of salt, and the next one is to add a teaspoon of nutmeg. Finally, you will add sugar according to your taste. Yes guys, but for this recipe I'm using half cup of sugar. At this stage I'm going to be giving it a quick mix. So guys, at this stage I will be using my hand to mix. Yeah, and before then make sure your hands are clean. So I will be adding warm water a bit by bit. Guys, if you want to achieve this recipe, you must use a warm water, not hot water, warm. Yeah, so continue watching guys. So my beautiful people, at this stage I'm done mixing the dough to my taste. Yeah, the next step is to cover it and allow it to sit for 45 minutes to 1 hour in a room temperature. Okay guys.
1 hour later.
So guys, at this stage my dough is ready to fry and I left mine for 1 hour. So as you can see, right now the dough has doubled in size. Yes, this is the texture we need. Okay guys, the next step is to start by heating up my frying pan or anything you want to fry it with. So, and the next one is to add in my vegetable oil. You can use any cooking oil of your choice. Yeah. So after that, I will allow the oil to heat on a medium heat. At this stage, I will be adding all the veggies I need. At this stage, I'm going in with my sliced spring onions and paprika sweet burning. Yes guys, you can also use any types of peppers you want. It doesn't matter. I'm sorry, I forgot to have shown when I was slicing mine. And at this stage, I'm just gonna go ahead and give it a good mix and make sure it's well combined together. Yeah. So right now guys, I'm done mixing and I'm going to start by frying my puff puff. Yes guys, and the next step is to start scooping it in, and at this stage the oil is hot enough to start frying it. So keep watching guys. And before I forget, if you are following me for the first time, thank you so much for clicking on this video. I welcome you on Mama WhatsApp channel. If today is your first time of watching my video, please let's be friends by smashing that sign that says subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out any of my videos. And you can as well check out my other videos. I have a lot of interesting videos that you may love to watch. And if you are my OG returning subscribers, God bless you. Thank you guys so much for always tuning in. I really appreciate each and every one of you. So continue watching and don't forget to share your thoughts at the comment section down below. So guys, at this stage, I'm done scooping it in. The next step is to go ahead and start turning it. Yeah. So guys, take note, as that is going on, you must continue to be turning it from time to time to make sure your puff puff is well fried and golden brown. Yes. Okay guys. So my beautiful people, at this stage the puff puff is well fried. As you can see, is golden brown as I want. Yeah, so I'm gonna remove this out from the oil and I will repeat the same process. So keep watching guys. So my wonderful people, at this stage the puff puff is ready, well fried, nicely fried. Oh my goodness, I love the outcome and the taste is awesome. The taste is something else. The taste is delicious. It's so tasty and crunchy. In fact, I don't know how to describe it. Yes, so if you haven't tried this recipe, honestly, give it a try. A trial will convince you. Okay guys, I believe I've come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed watching this video or if you watched this video to this extent, thank you so much. I really appreciate you. See you guys in my next upcoming video because as of now, I am out. Bye. Ciao.